Hey, welcome back everybody to another video. Here's a quick look at the Galaxy Z TriFold. You guys can see it, check it out, it's very thin. I like the responsive on this. Another nice thing about it is you're able to do multitasking on this device, very fluid with the, it's got the new Snapdragon 8 Elite processor. I believe this is a 3 nanometer processor, and it's running the Adreno GPU. As you guys can see here, it makes everything very fluidly, and it's the Adreno, I think 830 in here with the CPU. It's got some octa cores in there as well. It's got 16 gigabytes of RAM. You guys can see everything's just fluid, and you can also multitask like I was mentioning, and you can set things around. You can put half of the screen. You can also kind of like move things around while you're browsing. Let's say you're looking for trying to search for something, and you can have on the right screen, you can have your other display or float something around, and you can also make it into quads settings, and also you can have like this your phone, launch the camera. You guys can do many other things. The front screen has got 422 ppi's, which is pretty nice. As you guys can see with the 120 megahertz display, it's just very fluid. It's very thin. As you guys see, the power volume there, top's got some mics. The camera's got the camera bump. You can see there, I can just launch the camera really quickly, double click just like you've done in other Samsung devices. You guys can see that here. Do a selfie. And then you can see how thin and flat it is. The hinges is actually pretty nice. It actually closes very quickly. Here you can see how quickly and easily the hinges just be able to close and open up very nice. It's kind of like the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is when it's open, and thinness. Here you can see how quickly it's just responsive, it's fluid. And there's I mentioned again the power button, and got more at the bottom is the USB-C on the right hand side. You guys can see that here. And then other things that you might also notice is that when you have a full page, you get the full 10-inch display, as you guys can see here. It gives you more options for your apps and things that you might have. And when you open a web page here, you can see that you can see the whole page. Here on the phone, sure, it doesn't fill in quite much in there, but you're also able to keep your displays overlapping to one side, and then if you wanted, since it's a big screen, you can actually browse on the other side, or let's say you're sending a text or anything on the phone. And here you can kind of choose what you want to divide. Like for example, you can put the pictures on the right and then float around with the just the phone app anywhere you want. You can place it down at the bottom like I mentioned. You have two displays open up on the right with this big display, and then you can just float the browser if you wanted to, divide it in half, scroll up and down, as you guys can see here, which is pretty nice. That's a nice thing about that with these bigger screens. So yeah, hope this video helps. You guys gonna pick up a Galaxy TriFold? Let us know in the comments below. And again, it's kind of like the Galaxy Z Fold 7.